Camera rolling. Action.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Danial Ikhwan, and this is my speech. H&M, Zalora, Primark, and Shein. Have you heard of these brands before?
Yes.
These companies are some of the main producers of fast fashion. But what is fast fashion, you may ask? Investopedia defines fast fashion as clothing designs that are made from the catwalk to stores quickly. The word was first used in the early 1900s when Zara, one of the big main companies, created a clothing line from design to stores in just 2 weeks. This industry produces almost 1 billion garments every year and generates almost around 40 billion US dollars annually in 2019. But as trends changes rapidly, the amount of clothing made increases. Problems arise from this industry and development of this industry. But how bad is it? Ladies and gentlemen, this is the dark side of fast fashion. So I will touch on 2 main points because there is so much. I can do only 2, sorry. Problem number 1, labor workers. Major fabric manufacturers are mainly based in developing countries. But the weird thing is, the workers are paid 10 times less than those who are working in the developed countries. So here are some of the statistics that I found on the internet. Bangladeshi workers are paid around $197 per month. Vietnamese workers are paid $240 per month, while Chinese workers are paid $270 per month, which is less than our allowance per month. Yes. In contrast, people working in the garment industry in the USA is paid around $1,900 per month. So, with that being said, these labor workers are paired with unfavorable working conditions. They are forced to make clothing from around 14 hours to 16 hours per day, or up until 2 or 3 a.m. just to finish fashion brands' deadlines. Employees work in no ventilation, breathing in toxic fumes, and even inhaling fiber dust or blasted sand. Imagine yourself in their shoes. Would you survive?
No.
This has been proven in 2013 when Rana Plaza, a Bangladeshi factory collapsed, killing over 1,000 people and injuring over 2,500 people. These workers include women, children, and men. But imagine the impact that it caused to their family. Loss of a mother, a loss of a child. This tragedy has been named as one of the most deadliest structural failure in modern human history and deadliest garment factory disaster in history. So moving on to my second problem. The second problem. Pollution. But how? So I am going to divide this problem into 2. Firstly, air pollution. Manufacturing of these apparels releases toxic fumes to the atmosphere. Chemicals such as nitrous oxide, sulfur, ammonia, and carbon monoxide, to name a few. These chemicals will be suspended in the air and will pollute other places. This will result in smog, acid rain, and lower air quality. Yes. So imagine in this pandemic, paired with low air quality, while you using a mask. Would that be an inconvenience? Okay, moving on to my second part of the pollution problem. Fibers, hemp, yes, from cannabis, yarn, and other fabrics are examples of solid waste polluters. Common toxic wastes are stored in drums or in plastic containers and are irresponsibly disposed. These are usually thrown into nearby rivers or into landfills. If these toxic waste leaks, it will go seep into the earth and contaminate the water supply. Combining these two parts, making this industry the second most polluting industry behind oil and the second largest water polluter behind agriculture. To be honest, I am guilty of buying these pieces from fast fashion brands. Thank you. But we are now aware that fast fashion is very harmful, not just to our society, but the impact that it has on our planet Earth. We have the power to change and prevent our future from being filled with these meaningless fabric. I would suggest you guys to try thrift shopping or upcycling old clothes. But that's just a small bit that we can do. Lastly, before you go and confirm your order or go check out at the counter, ask yourself if it's worth it. Thank you.